Starring Entertainment.
Feel. Kasi mas tumataas na yung drum ko. And then I realized that when I chose the right people with me, doon ko ma-realize na if I fail math or if I succeed, I would still be the same Terry Malbar to them either way. So hindi ako magpa-pressure kung magsasucceed ba yung certain goal ko or not, for as long as I still am with the right people who hold me down, who ground me.
Emilio?
Hello po, magandang gabi po, Gretchen. In terms of choosing projects, since bago lang po ako, 1 year pa lang po dito sa industriya so wala po akong karapatan na pumili. Pero sa Power Boys po, I was invited to audition po by Direct Kid. So,
Wow!
Honestly, sobrang saya ako nung binigyan ako ng chance kasi fan po talaga ako ng Power Boys yung unang film. Naalala ko yun, it was one of the films na ginamit ko pang preparation ko for my first ever acting project na Pagpili sa Grado. Kasi may frat element din doon. And ako kasi, yun din yung ginagawa ko bago isang project. Talagang I tried to research about my role and I stumbled upon Power Boys. And talagang na-inspire ako doon. So, to be working now with the creator of a film that I really like, it's a dream. So, ayun. Yeah, that's it. And I guess with mental health, tama po si Therese. I also retreat to my circle, my family. Really is my number one talaga. Win or lose, I think, I know na sasaluhin nila ako. And I think you have to find that tribe that you have. And once you find that, I think it will be a lot easier for you to take risks. So, yeah.
Thank you very much.
Direct Kid?
Pati si Mami O.
Sige, dito ka din.
Mami O. Tinatanong paano doon yung pinili yung role.
Okay.
Good evening to each and everyone, and thank you also for being here.
Thank you very much.
Barboys. Matindi ang Barboys sa akin na hindi ko makakalimutan. That time, I had the chance to be with Miriam Defensor sa isang affair and the late Senator, sino yung namatay natin na vice? Anyway, we were together. Oh my God. I watched her, how she talked, and kung natatakot ako, although I have relatives na si fiscal, lawyers, iba pala pag ibang tao. Ano direct, sabi ko, Miriam Defensor. Alam mo, first day natin, namalakad ako, nanginginig ang binti ko, hindi ko alam kung darating ako sa pupuntahan ko sa totoo lang. Matapang akong babae, pero iba si Miriam, ginagampanan mo ibang tao. Eh kung malatsi-latsi ako at makulong, kaya na ako nadalag. Yun na. Nakabadirect ang handom. But otherwise, you did a very, very hard job today. I know that in my heart. And I thank you also. Up to now, thank you everybody.
I thank you to Mami O. Kasi hindi naman lingid sa kalaman natin that, you've grown in age, physical challenges of the shoot. Pero I'd like to say na I think the Justice Hernandez role and the way you play it will be one of your legacy characters. And ako, kakapanood ko lang kasi pinanood ko na sa big screen for the first time yung pelikula. And after that, binulungan ako may mga consultant ako directors. Binulungan nila ako, sinabi nila, this is the performance of a lifetime about Mami O. And it is the kind of performance that you can only get when you have a 50-year love affair with the craft of acting. When you've done the work, when you've suffered, nung napakarami ng tinuro sa'yo ng buhay, ang dami mo na na-experience, pero mahal na mahal mo pa rin yung pag-arte. And that's, naiiyak si Carlo. Ilang years ka na? 30 pa rin. Pinatayan ako ng hindi, joke. 30 years pa na si Carlo. Pero yun, that's the kind of performance that only, and you've seen it, guys. You've seen it. Everyone in the staff, di ba? And it's this crew in the cast, you've seen it. it's the kind of performance that only really happens with 50 years of devotion and love for something.
Right.
And so, thank you, Mami O, for that. To answer the question, how do I choose projects? I choose it based on what makes me angry. Yun, ganun ako na filmmaker.
Kung alam mo motivate direct, no?
Oo, kasi, sorry, minsan masyado tayo mabait as a society. Rally-rally tayo, tapos hindi man lang natin pinapangalanan yung mga magnanakaw. We organize, but then we stay complacent after a while. Humihina na yung movement or pinapatawad lang natin yung mga tao. No, we should stay angry kasi nanakawan tayo, niloloko tayo, kinukurakot yung pera natin. So hindi ito time para magpa-sweet eh. And so a lot of my filmmakers fuel by that energy. With regards to mental health, I totally agree with what Emilio and Therese were saying about the support system. But to add, I think life is an endless search to figure out who you are as a person. And you see that in the script as well. Like si character ni Enzo in particular, nagsastruggle siya to figure out who he is after success. Tagumpay siya pero hindi siya masaya. Diba? So, life is an endless search for meaning and purpose. And I think, maliban pa sa, syempre, dapat magpa-therapy ka kung afford mo. Dapat kumapit ka sa mga kaibigan na alam mo will help you grow, kumapit ka sa pamilya mo because they will support you all the way if you have a good relationship with them. I think it's also important to not only look for happiness but also fulfillment. Nahanapin mo rin kung ano yung purpose mo sa buhay at ano yung gusto mong maging ambag sa mga taong nakapalibot sa'yo at sa lipunan mo. Kasi kung puro sarili mo lang yung iisipin mo, after a while, draining din siya. After a while, kumikitid yung perspektibo mo sa mundo hanggang hindi mo na-realize, ikaw na lang yung pinagsisilbihan mo. And that is not a very fulfilling life.
Alright, thank you, Direk Kim.
Thank you, Gretchen. Let's limit na one question na lang, no? Para mas marami sa tabi nakapila. JN, June Nardo is next. Go ahead, June.
Congratulations. After doing this film, it's first time, second time, pati si Direk, hindi pinangarap niya bang maging abogado? Nagkaroon ba kayo ng pangarap? Nandun na kayo, mga abogado, di ba? Hindi naman lahat ng abogado, mababait, at matulungin.
May na-inspire ba sa
Oo,
inyo?
na-inspire na ka parang abogado. Si Barboy.
Si Rocco, sagot.
Rocco, yeah.
Well, nung Tito Jun, hi. Nung ginagawa po namin yung one,
Yes.
naalala ko yung isang eksena doon namin, kailangan kami i-xerox, tapos nakakausap ko yung mga law students talaga. Nung nakita ko po yung mga books, sabi ko, never will I ever go that path. Kaya hanga ako sa kanila, grabe. You cannot stop learning and be updated. Kaya sabi ko sa yung mga lumalapit sa amin, yung nakaka-inspire na, alam niyo ba, naging lawyer ako dahil sa Power Boys. Sabi ko, I'm so proud of you na nagawa nila yun. Because it's a feat para magawa yun.
That's true. Carlo, ikaw, na-inspire ka ba?